Stuller helps us grow and has helped us all develop our businesses, and then we learn from each other.
I like to come and see how other jewelers are doing things and get suggestions from Stuller to see how I can improve my business.
I got so much information.
There's so many innovations and they're so on the cutting edge of what's going on right now.
To come here and have the experts not only back you up, but give you real, actual, concrete tools. Every single class, we came away with something that we could actually utilize, apply to help grow our business.
No matter how big your store, your shop, or how small it is, you can gain knowledge here, you can learn something.
I gained way more than I ever thought I would. We're excited to go back and share it with our team.
Don't even think about it, just come.
You have to come. You have to be here.
You have nothing to lose, but everything to gain.